Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Day 10 class. Today we are going to discuss about journal entries of Miss Sudha and Co. Let us start our 8th question. Write journal entries in the books of Sudha and Co. 2014 July 1st. Now we are writing the journal entries in the books of Sudha and Co. Journal entries in the books of Sudha and Co. Date, particulars, LF number, debit column and credit column. So, this company has started the business on 2014 July 1st. Started business with capital 90,000. It is director only cash capital. Cash account debtor to capital account. The narration is being the business started with cash. It is 90,000. And next transaction is also held on July 1st. Purchased goods from Tarun on credit, not for cash, on credit by Tarun. Purchased goods from Tarun. So, it would be purchase account debtor to Tarun account. The narration is being the goods purchased on credit. Amount 20,000. And the next transaction was held on July 2nd. Sold goods to Sonu. This is a credit sales because here there is a name of the person. So, it may be Sonu account debtor to sales account. The narration is being goods sold on credit. How much? The amount is 30,000. Next transaction was held on 3rd. Purchased goods from Raghu for cash. Here there is a name of a person and they mention that for cash. It is for cash. So this is a cash purchase. That means purchase account debtor to cash account. And the narration is being goods purchased for cash. Amount is 25,000. And the next transaction was held on July 4. Sold goods to Tony for cash. Here also there is a name of a person but there is given a cash transaction. It is a cash transaction. So cash account, debtor to sales account, and the narration is being the goods sold for cash. Amount is 16,000. And next, the next transaction was held on 5th, July 5th. Goods returned to Raghu. So we has returned the goods. So it is we has purchased the goods from Raghu and we has returned to Raghu. So it is a purchase returns. Raghu account, debtor to purchase returns. And the narration is being goods returned to Raghu. Amount is 5,000. And next, the next transaction held on 6th. Bought furniture for 15,000. Bought furniture for 15,000. So it is a cash transaction. Here bought means it is a purchase. Furniture, the good is furniture. It is clearly given the good is furniture. So we didn't write the purchase. Instead of purchase account, we have to write furniture account. So furniture account, debtor to cash account because it is a cash transaction. And the narration is being furniture purchased for cash. How much? It is 15,000. And next, the next transaction was held on 18th. Sold goods to Sudeep. So we have sold the goods to Sudeep. So it is a credit transaction because the name of a person has given here. The name of the person has given here. So it is a credit transaction. So Sudeep account, debtor to sales account. And the narration is being goods sold on credit. How much? It is 12,500. And the next transaction was held on 19th. Goods returned from Sudeep. Sold goods to Sudeep. We has sold some goods to Sudeep at rupees 12,500. And the Sudeep returned the goods. So it is a sales returns. So sales returns account, debtor to Sudeep account, and The narration is being sales returns from Sudeep. How much? It is 2000. And next, the next transaction was held on 25th. Cash received from Sudeep. This is a credit transaction was held from Sudeep. So here cash received from Sudeep. So cash account debtor to Sudeep account being cash received from Sudeep. How much? 5,500. And next transaction was held on 28th. Goods taken by Sudha and Co. for domestic use. For domestic use, it is a personal use. So, for personal use means for personal or domestic is one. It would be a drawings account. Drawings account debtor to goods account being goods taken by personal use. And how much? It is 3,000 rupees. This is our transactions held on Sudha and Co. account of 2014 July. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.